Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can turn a 3D object into a hand-drawn animation in Blender. So to do this, add a scene line art, choose your object, go to object properties, display as, bounds. Now select this grease pencil object, go to modifier properties, set the crease threshold of the line art modifier to 0 degrees. Now add a noise modifier so it'll look hand drawn. A little bit of position, and now select your object, go to material properties, add new material, set the alpha to 0, blend mode to alpha blend if you're using Eevee render engine, and shadow mode to alpha clip. Or you can use an emission shader to color it. And this is it. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.